Now we're going to proceed to decorating the Framboisier pearl. For this, we need the raspberry glaze at 50 degrees Celsius. We'll need the crumble, which is at room temperature and is already prepared. And we're going to need fresh raspberries and basil leaves. Material-wise, we're also going to need some needles, which we're going to use to dip the creamy sphere into the glaze. We'll also need a small pair of tweezers to place the basil leaves on the final finish. For the finish, what we're going to do is dip the individual in the glaze and turn it around twice. The temperature of the glaze will always be between 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. If it's excessively hot, more than 50 degrees Celsius, what'll happen is our mousse will melt and fall apart. Once we've coated each petit gâteau with glaze, we're going to add the crumble around it, just a very tiny band on the side of each one. And then what we'll do is pipe the gelled compote in the center. Finally, we will finish with a glazed sphere and some raspberries and basil leaves around it. Now I'll show you step by step how to do it. And that concludes the Framboisier assembly. We hope you liked it.